So I love this one, really, really love this. What we've got here today is we've got eggplants sliced, fried in some oil. Then we make a nice tomato sauce. We get it together with some Parmesan cheese. We bang it in the oven for 10 minutes. It's wonderful. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got a skillet here. I mean, I've got one of those skillets with those kind of lines in. That's neither here nor there. Don't worry about that. You can use anything you want. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. You could use olive oil if you want. I've got some eggplant here, which I've cut into that sort of size. The skin is on. We're going to get them in and we're going to cook them on a medium heat for about 3 minutes aside. Now, don't put too much oil in because they'll just keep soaking it up and they'll just get really, really oily. Like, you'll be tempted maybe to put oil in, but yeah, don't. Okay, there you go. These are done, beautiful. Now, I'm going to set them aside and we're going to go for quite a lot more. I've got quite a lot more to do. I've got that much to do. I'm going to add a little bit more oil to that pan. But like I say, you really do feel tempted to sort of keep adding oil to it. But if you do it, they're just going to soak it up, and you're going to be in trouble. Right, let me get this lot done. Back when it's ready. Okay, so we've got ourselves a lovely plate of cooked eggplants there. Now, if you want, nick a couple of those, put it on a salad. You can slice it up and put it onto a salad, or even get that into like a grilled cheese sandwich with that. Really beautiful. Let's move on. Okay, so the eggplants are done. Let's just take a look at this really simple sauce we're going to make. I've got 2 cans of tomatoes there. That's kind of size, regular size can of tomatoes. So that's 800 ml total. They were whole plum ones. I just sort of mashed them up with my hand a little bit. We've got a cup of onions and a cup of Parmesan cheese grated, 2 teaspoons of oregano, and just over a tablespoon of garlic. Let's get to the cooker. So in this pan, I've got 3 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use a different oil if you want. We're going to drop in 1 cup of the onion, tablespoon or just a little bit more of garlic. We're going to go salt and black pepper. I've just put the heat on. We're on an above medium heat just for 3 to 4 minutes. Really easy, this one. 3 or 4 minutes there just on those onions and garlic. Let's drop in a couple of teaspoons of dried oregano. You could use something else, dried basil if you want, or one of those kind of Italian mixed herb things. Then we grab our 2 cans of tomatoes, we drop that in, we give it a mix, we lower the heat to just below medium, and we let this go for 8 to 9 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Really simple, beautiful tomato sauce. So you're going to need something that can go in the oven. I'm using metal. You can use ceramic or you can use glass, as long as it can go in the oven. Now, get your oven on full blast, absolutely maximum heat. Here's our tomato sauce. Beautiful, that is. What we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit in the bottom of the pan. Just mix that around a little bit. And then we're going to go for the eggplant. So we're going to grab some of our eggplants and just do a layer in there. Now, if you want, you can just do 1 layer. I've just got a few more there. But what we're going to do first is get a nice amount of Parmesan, fresh Parmesan in there. Then I'm going to go a little bit more sauce. Then I'm going to add the rest of the eggplant and repeat. So now I'm going to add quite a lot of sauce. The balance of the sauce is all going to go on. I'm just going to spread that around. So our oven is on full blast, the maximum heat. More Parmesan cheese. You can add more if you want. I don't like to have too much. And then that's going to go in a really hot oven just for about 9 to 10 minutes, middle shelf. Okay, that was about 9 or 10 minutes in my oven. That really is beautiful. I love that. Just a little bit of flat leaf parsley, or if you want some fresh basil on the top. That is beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.